Hi Shira, for Valentine's Day. Not because it's the same. Yes, this is for Valentine's Day already. Take a look.
That's fire from Mindanao.
Mindanao?
Yes, big fire. Salt.
Vinegar and salt. Okay. You want to take picture or in Manila? Samosas. Samosas.
One big
550.
and then two small.
Look, Russian chocolate. Победа. It's from Moscow. It's a price in dollars. But use vape may be allowed. Not allowed. You can ask. What he sale? Oh, good view. Hi everyone. Now Friday 4 p.m. and I go to SM and meet up with Shira. Shira already in SM City Clark. And we walk around and talk about Angeles City and show to you also what's new in SM City Clark. Friday 4 p.m. Genesis bus to Trainoma to North Etsa in the parking now. And people waiting also. Yeah, this bus for Trainoma. Manila. Need to find Shira. Shira near carousel. She said near carousel waiting for me. I see already. near Starbucks. Hi Shaira.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Small Life Philippines. It's Friday afternoon and we're here in SM Park.
Where you want it?
Anywhere.
Food court. I want shrimp in food court again. But you can choose what you want. Oh, it's new, you see, for Valentine's Day. No, Shaira won't fast eat. Okay, later, Shaira, later. If you want it first. Shaira want it first, of course. But in Valentine's Day we're going to Manila. And Chinese New Year celebrate also in Manila. I already order hotel, booking hotel room. One side of SM prepare for Valentine's Day. Another side is for Chinese New Year. Because it's the same, yes. This is for Valentine's Day already. Oh, look. Horse. Horse here. Huh?
I'm pig.
Not horse?
I'm pig, I said pig, I'm pig.
I said horse year, next year. Horse.
Next year or this year?
No, next, not this. First need to find table now. Today many people. 4 p.m. right now. Okay, Shaira, first you can have one table, you see. This one. Yes, you can sit here. Yes. Shaira, for me, you know the same. But for you, up to you. You choose.
Maybe what is this there?
Soup? Soup is good for you. Maybe small table, Shaira.
Huh?
Maybe small table. Better small, it's better. I don't want in that tub. Better sit here, yeah. Yeah, it's better. I put my bed here. If someone not sit and take a look what have. Shrimp also. Shrimp the price, but don't have price. I don't know. Here price. But you won't buy here?
We'll buy another there.
No, for me here, okay. Before I also eat in this sizzling plate. Yuki. $200.
Okay, take a look beyond. Fire.
What is this?
That's fire from Mindanao.
Mindanao?
Yes, big fire.
Ah. It's news from Facebook?
TikTok.
Ah, TikTok.
From GMA News.
Ah, GMA News. Maybe someone who know how to watch Philippine news know already. But what they say about what is?
They said this is from drone footage from Tawi-Tawi in Mindanao. And they said 1,000 houses are already
On the fire?
Yes, on the fire.
1,000 houses?
Yes, yes, yes.
It's right now?
Yes.
What name of city?
That's Tawi-Tawi. Ah, no, it's February 3.
What February?
February 3, I not see.
February 3.
Yes, from Tawi-Tawi.
Okay. Oh, you have also seafoods? Don't have. Need long time wait. Ah, already have? Maybe not. Pad Thai. Seafood is good. Okay. Okay, I will take. Hi? You? Okay. Shaira want to take. So we eat now. Simple foods, but I like these foods. Shaira also like it. Not need to go to expensive restaurants. I think it's usually we spend for eat about 500 peso together. I think it's not so expensive. Of course, we can eat in street foods, but why if we can cook in home? In home is better and more healthy foods. I cannot. Because already you start. Wait. Oh, yes. No, not need. It's for me. Okay. Yeah, I like this food. Simple shrimp. What is this?
Vinegar with little bit. What is that? Salt.
Vinegar and salt. Okay. I don't want it all, and she will take for takeout. You will eat later, because not need it so much.
I need to drink only.
You can drink. Drink it's important, of course. So we walk a little bit in St. Clark. You want take picture or in Manila?
Manila better.
In Manila? Okay. How much? Express train, 50 peso. Samosa street for 100 peso. This is samosas. Samosas. What Shaira asking about? What is this?
That's good.
What is?
Perfume.
Perfume? Ah.
One big
550.
and then two small.
Ah,
It's good. I like that one.
okay. I like too.
Three. But,
What? What is this? I don't understand.
but
Two.
why? But why?
Two. Yes.
But why? What is this? My middle finger. It's like.
Okay. So we're going to the Pure Gold duty free in the Clark because Shaira want chocolate. Chocolate, Shaira? Okay, we're going to Pure Gold, Clark. Bus to Manila airport. Take a look, so many people waiting here. Yeah, so many waiting bus to Manila airport. We waiting Manila, but it's a Strinoma. It's not to Manila. Another people waiting to Manila. Where Shaira? I see already. Shaira. Good weather today, not so hot. Usually in this time, very good weather. And we're going to Clark, Pure Gold Clark. Usually in Pure Gold, Clark cheaper than another Pure Gold, because Clark is a special economic zone. That's why price little bit cheaper. I park car very close from the gate. Why, Sharon, are you not open door? But you're not hungry now? Not? Oh, if little bit it is okay. I think it's enough for you, little bit it.
Yes.
Take a look, parking. Friday. So many space for park. Sunset already. 5:10 p.m. Traffic to Koreatown. look traffic. This is road to old airport gate, and this one right side is old airport gate. Old airport. This is pure gold duty free. Oh, I fix road already here. Good. Yeah, good already. Fix road. Look, Russian chocolate. Победа. It's from Moscow. It's the price in dollars. You remember before I bought for you. This also small. Huh?
$1.
Not $1.78 peso. $1.78 peso. 169.
This one.
This is about $4. You like this one? Hmm?
If it's $1, it's better this one. Or three.
3 pieces.
Or
Yeah, 3 pieces is better than one big. So many chocolate here. And this is $3.18 peso for gift. Good. We already in the CDC park. Not easy to find the parking space, and we little bit far from the center of the park. We in the park have smoking area. Where you go, Shaira? But use vape may be allowed. Not allowed. You can ask. You ask. Ask.
pero sabi, pwede sa ano,
Shaira, vape is okay. Not allowed vape in the park, but so many people use vape in the park. We've seen. In the park, many people. Good view, sunset. Huh?
better if you go there, better have some seat. No seat.
But we have in the car.
Soccer ball, sir, oh.
What he sale. Football also.
Soccer ball?
Shaira said want to walk in the road. So many children here after school. Oh, good. Here can not only sit, you can lay also. Yes, it's good. I take picture you. Oh, good view. Today Shaira will sleep in the park. But I think Shaira, after 10 p.m. Park is closed. No, this is part of the park. They switch off light, and inside the park already not allowed to stay. But you can jogging outside in this line. Here you can jogging. It's okay, not problem, allowed. But after 10 p.m. Not allowed already inside the center of the park. Oh, good. But why you not use iPhone? iPhone smaller than this Galaxy. Shaira, I will walk, okay? Need walk few rounds.
You don't cry, you're not strong enough to care. Getting lost in my own pain, not in the game. One more dance to see me. I've been hoping we could try not to lie alone tonight. I will never have the life you stole. Now I'm keeping everything in my soul. If you call me in the night, I will ask you every time. Can you breathe me? Another life, I'm feeling cold and alive. But tonight, I feel it's time to override the tale. I gotta pick you up, rewind. You wicked world that crushed my mind. You put me on the line. I'm burning, run away, that's all you do. And I've got enough of you. So let's not forget me through, bring harmony for you. Together where this pain has got to go, I've got to go. Can you pray for me? 11th hour, people fail to pass the test. Holding out for a last chance, hard to relax. One more life to take me, and I hope that you won't try. 'Cause I don't wanna know if I
Oh, Shaira seat. Play with phone.
It sounds not good.
Ah,
You want to sit?
maybe. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.
Bus little bit noisy.